Hi, everyone. You're with Elliot Hathmet and Ben Goheen from the Royle Group at Century 21 in Belleville. And we're here today to talk to you about Keyspire.
Yeah, welcome to the event. Thanks so much for coming, and I appreciate you stopping in at our booth.
Yes, and we have tons of information to talk about regarding Belleville, investing, and all the stuff.
Absolutely. So Belleville and the surrounding area is a very, very exciting neighborhood to be a part of. We have Quinte West, just 15 minutes west of us, and then Prince Edward County, just 30 minutes south of us. We have lots of cottage country, 30 to 50 minutes north of us. And then to the east, you've got Napanee and Kingston, which are hugely developing areas. Student rentals, short-term rentals, long-term rentals, we have it all.
You nailed that perfectly.
That was pretty good.
Like we're both investors ourselves. We deal with investors on a day-to-day basis.
I touched a little bit on short-term, long-term rental type stuff. The Prince Edward County area is fantastic for people coming and going, enjoying their time away, their cottage time. Just being an hour and a half from the GTA is massive, so you can be able to come out, enjoy your weekend, Airbnb there. Going up north to Bancroft, lots of people are cottaging up there, so there's tons of Airbnb rental opportunities there too. And then right here in the area locally, Belleville and Quinte West and Trenton area, we have such great long-term rental opportunities. Our rent is high here. So when you're looking for a duplex or triplex or quad, like a multifamily, smaller one, typically you can expect, instead of a $500 cash negative in the GTA area, you're expecting a $200, $300, $400 cash positive rental property right from the get-go here. Yeah. It's very exciting.
I like how you brought up, even let's say in North area, Quinte, Hastings, Prince Edward County, we're within kind of two geographical locations. Absolutely. We're on the 401 corridor, and then North Hastings is all along basically Highway 7, so still very accessible.
So one thing I really want to talk about is our starting price point is phenomenal. We have an average home sale price here of $500,000, and honestly, it really doesn't cost that much more for a duplex or a triplex sometimes too. So being able to get into the market and have the appreciation there is amazing, because in the GTA, $500,000 buys you a 400 square foot condo. It's really, really tough. So here, being able to buy a single family or duplex for the same kind of price and have that appreciation long-term in the market, plus the cash flow that comes with it right away, we're very fortunate.
I like how you brought up price point, but you also mentioned the style of investment properties we have here in the Hastings, Quinte, and Prince Edward County area, even Kingston, Napanee, anywhere along the 401 or Highway 7 corridor. We have your standard multifamily homes, your duplexes, your triplexes, fourplexes, up to as many as we can potentially find for you, and we have access to all of that. But then we have your single families, which you can still rent out. You can convert those single families into duplexes or triplexes, or you might be able to get lucky and find something else and to develop it into. But then again, on the development side of things, we got builders homes. We got, I'll let you talk about the next one because that's your kind of thing. But we also have short-term rentals. We have all these different investment possibilities.
Well, and I love, so talking about short-term rentals, it just made me think about our target audience here too. So who's coming and going? So we do have a big blue-collar community here. So everybody here is kind of struggling to get into home purchasing. So renting is already a big option for them, and one that's more feasible right away. Plus, we have the military base. So CFB Trenton being right here is really good for investment potential because they're transient. So they come in, get posted for 4 years, then leave. That lets you do is set market rent every 4 years. So if you're slipping behind, that extra 2.5% that the landlord tenant board lets you increase every year doesn't quite cut it. You know that in 4 years you can be able to bump that up a little bit, or do a renovation or a conversion and have some more potential sitting there. We also have some big industry leaders here. So Magna is here, and Procter & Gamble is here as
Amazon,
well. Amazon just came in. How big was that 1.5 million square foot?
That's huge. Yeah.
Massive.
Yeah. Speaking about development, like Belleville is developing. We're growing like,
oh my God,
massively every year. And we are one of the fastest growing communities per capita in Ontario over the last couple of years. So it just, there's tons of opportunity when it comes to investments. And you have some fun pods that we can
Yeah.
talk about, and
We do it all. So with the Royle Group, we do it all. So with the Royle Group, we represent Brower Homes, and you can check us out at our booth here. Please ask us about our tiny homes. So we're able to build them on site here in Belleville. They're probably called the Brower Living Pods, and we could develop them and ship them anywhere you want. So if you want a laneway house in Toronto, or you want to put 4 of them up, a little community here in Belleville on your little 1-acre lot, you could do whatever you want with them. They're really, really neat. But you do have to ask me more questions about them. I'll tell you all about it.
Yeah, that's awesome.
You need to come talk to the Royle Group. The reason is we're investors first. We are real estate agents, but we do invest ourselves personally, and we have a great amount of knowledge in the area. We've been doing it for many years. We have a whole team, so 9 agents, 3 admins now.
Yeah.
And this is our primary focus, and we do it to make money.
I think all of us agents are investors. We have our own investment properties. We know the name of the game. We know how to dissect your property to help kind of make an understanding of how the numbers work and how we can make it most profitable for you, and what we can do to kind of stay innovative. And that's where I think our passion comes from, is that we're out there just like you, looking for the next big thing. And we're here to always take care of our clients first. But if something does come our way and it's a great deal, then we're jumping on it as well. And yeah,
sounds good. We'll see you soon at the booth. Thank you very much for joining us. It's Elliot and Ben from the Royle Group. Talk to you soon.
Take care, guys.